What's wrong with this home? Darin Persinger here from KW Persinger, and it's a question that we get quite often from our home buyer clients. We get this question sent into our Facebook Messenger, via text, sometimes sent to our email. Our clients are searching online at KWPersinger.com, and they come across a home that looks interesting. It looks like a potential match for them. And they're thinking, ooh, what's this? I like this one. 4 beds, 3 baths. Oh, good price. Wait, why is it still for sale? There must be something wrong with it. And we get it. In today's market, it might feel safe to assume that if a home has been for sale for 30 days or 20 days or even 10 days, there must be something wrong with it. Or if there's been a price reduction, there must be something wrong with it. And that's why we constantly get sent messages with a link back to the property asking us, so what's wrong with this one? And the majority of the time, our response is nothing. There's nothing wrong with it. The market just isn't super crazy right now with like 8 buyers for every home like there was just a couple years ago. So if you're using our circle back technique and seeing a home that you like, contact us and we'll get a private tour scheduled for you so we can see if there's anything wrong with that home. And keep this in mind though, this doesn't mean that the market has done a complete 180. Right now, it's not by definition a buyer's market. It's just not the crazy uber seller's market like it was. So what I'm saying is that great homes at a great price are still selling really fast. But if you're using our circle back technique and you see a home that's interesting to you, contact us and we'll let you know the status of it. It will get you into the home before all the other buyers realize that there's nothing wrong with that home. We also have a free resource for you. So whether you're a first-time home buyer or you're buying your next home, we've seen a lot of buyers make some common mistakes. So we've put these together for you so that you can avoid these costly mistakes. Head to costlymistakeshomebuyersmake.com. And once you're there, you'll be able to download our free resource guide, costlymistakeshomebuyersmake.com.